Annyeonghaseyo, Chairman D. Shandefnida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. I know it's been a minute since I've been before you on camera. I didn't do any unboxings at all for the month of May. Apologies for that. May was just a bad month. It was just bad. And then right after that, at the first beginning of June, my nephew got married. I went to his wedding and I had fun and I think I looked pretty good. So yeah, now I'm back home and I've got tons and tons of unboxings to do. So first of all, excuse my appearance. I look like crap right now. I have makeup on and my hair needs to be washed. It is so hot today. It's like 97 degrees outside. So as soon as I get these unboxings done, I'm going to hop in the shower behind me and probably wash my hair and get that over with. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about my BarkBox unboxing for the month of June 2018. As usual, I'll leave all the information down below in the description box in case you want to get your very own BarkBox. All right, let's get started. I can't remember how much I pay for BarkBox because I do get this on a yearly subscription. I think it's like maybe $23. I can't remember. I'm not even going to lie to you. I can't remember. But I just got this yesterday, and all I did was cut the tape. So let's see what we have. And I have my dog right here. So if you see a little black fur like right there, that's him trying to dig into it. All right, so let's get started. So first of all, I see this right here is the theme. It looks like it's prom. Who's coming to prom is the theme. And these are some of the toys that you get. It's like a little camera and a little squirrel there and maybe a bouquet. A little bouquet there. Here's the back. Looks like it's a bow tie back there. This is take a pic. So, oh, okay. I can put this bow, I think this punches out. I can put this on my dog or put the little corsage on my dog and take a picture. Really cute. This is the inside. Tells you about some information there. Some of the toys and the treats that you get. All right, but this is really cute. Let's see what else is in here. There's a letter in here. I don't know what this is about. I hope they're not going out of business because that would be sad. And this says hello from Bark. This is a long letter. I'm not going to read it all, but see that? It's long. I'm going to have to read that later to see what's up with it. But please, BarkBox, don't be going out of business because I need you in my life. We just got reacquainted. Anyway, let's start off. My dog is very playful. So I do get an extra toy in my box every month. Now, you can choose to get that extra toy or not. It does cost a little bit more for that extra toy, but it's not bad. You can also add more treats to your box if you want to, and they're kind of inexpensive. They're like maybe $5 or $10. It depends on the treat that you want to add, and there's usually some choices that you can make. By the way, let me tell you this. For BarkBox, if you have a bigger dog that's a power chewer, like if you have a Rottweiler or a Pit Bull or maybe a Great Dane, a big dog like that, you can get a box just made specifically for the power chewer. So the toys are going to be a little bit more durable and tougher to get through, and treats and things like that that's going to accommodate that size dog with those powerful jaws. Also, when you go to BarkBox, you can fill out a little profile on your dog. I have a small dog. My dog is 11 pounds, so I get the box for a small dog. You could get the box for a medium dog or a large dog as well. Sometimes I want to try the medium one just to see what would happen, but Romeo's 11 pounds, so I just get the small one. Enough chitter chatter. Let's get started. First things first, I'm going to take out a treat here. This is from Happy Howie's Natural Dog Treats, and this is the Beef Burger Chew. There is no wheat, corn, or nitrates or soy in this, and this is like you can see the little burger in there, right there. So this is like something for him to chew on that I'm not going to give him right now, even though he's begging for it. I've got some toys, like I said. This is cute. This is Behind the Squeaks. This is called the Fetch Limo. That's what the tag looks like there. It's the Fetch Limo. And on the inside, it has a squeaker, short plush, long plush, and fluff in there. Those are the components that are inside the squeaker. This is what it looks like. It's a limo. See, look, there's all the little squirrel characters there. It has this fluffiness on the back, on the bottom of it right here. It does have a squeaker in it. I feel it right here. I don't want to squeak it, but I will just to... So it squeaks pretty nice. And it says Bark on the back. This is cute. All right. We have another toy. Next toy we have is a camera. Aw, this is called Click and Rip camera. Yeah, Click and Rip. And that's what it looks like. It's got this rope on the end there. And it is a blue, yellow, and red camera. This is the back. It looks like one of those old cameras that I used to have, like my very first camera. Let's see on the inside. That's what the tag looks like. I always like to show you guys the cute little tags. This toy has a bonus toy, tube squeaker, fluff, and a t-shirt rope. So those are these are the components of what's inside this toy. And let me tell you something. BarkBox, oh yeah. Their toys are very, very durable and long-lasting. My dog doesn't really rip through toys like he used to. Like sometimes he does, but when he was younger, he would really rip through toys, but now he doesn't. And speaking of ripping through toys, one thing that I like about BarkBox is if your dog does not like the treats, or if your dog rips through the toys, what you can do is you can just, send them an email or a text, and they will replace the toy free of charge. It's awesome. I've got one more toy in here, and this is Gene the Gentleman, and he is going to the prom. As you can see, he's got his bow tie on and his tux. He's all snazzy. And this is what the tag looks like on Gene the Gentleman. I love these cute little squirrel toys. They're gorgeous. So cute. Anyway, these are the components of the toy right here. It has a tube squeaker and fluff and stitching. So, do you squeak? Oh, yeah. Very, very cute. All right. Moving on, let's get to another treat here. A couple more treats. This is called Magic in the Moonlight, and this is a beef and turkey dog treat. And that's what it looks like. Very cute packaging there with the cow and everything. That's very cute. Here's what the other side looks like here. And all of BarkBox's treats are wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free, and they are made by BarkBox themselves. All right, so and they're made in the USA, by the way. Let's see if I can rip this open and give him one. I can't rip it open. Fail, fail, fail. Nope, we got it open. Oh, they have a strong smell to them. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is what the little treats look like. Let me give one to you. Let's see what he's going to do with it. All right, so he's taking it, and he's going to go somewhere, and he'll sniff it. My dog is kind of picky when it comes to treats sometimes. So I think he likes it because he's sniffing for another one. The last treat that I have is a pork polka dot. This is wheat, corn, and soy free. It's soft and chewy. I like the packaging of this because it reminds me of the 80s with all the polka dots on it. I love some polka dots. I was a child in the 80s, and these are the colors that you would see me wearing all the time. So this is very cute. All right, so let's open you up if I can. If I don't fail at it. I may fail at it. I don't know. Wow, here we go. I'm like, where's the thing? These also have a strong smell to them. Oh, boy. But you know what? My dog likes treats that have a strong smell. It's kind of weird, but this is what the treat looks like, as you can see right there. And there you go. Let's see what he does with that. All right, guys, so that's everything in my BarkBox for June 2018. This is the prom theme, so let's review what we got right here. I got the pork polka dots right here. I also got the Magic in the Moonlight treats. Very cool. I also got the beef burger chew. And I should have ordered the other chews for him. There was a pack of 3 chews. I could have ordered extra for $10. I should have did that. This here is Gene, the gentleman, the squeaker toy number 1. I love this. He's so cute. Love it, love it. Next one I have is this limo. This is the Fetch limo right here. Black limousine with the fur at the bottom. And then my last toy that I got is this cute, the camera. This is the click and rip camera right here. Very, very cute. Alright, so that's all the toys I got. And I got this letter I gotta read. I gotta see what that's all about. And that's everything in this box here for June. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. I am very close to getting 1,000 subscribers. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway. I know what that giveaway is going to be, but I will let you know when I reach that threshold. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you to my new and my old subscribers. I did pick up a few subscribers while I was away. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and for finding my channel. Again, have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comment section. Let's talk, let's chat. And I will talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나